Comparison of numbers. Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn how to compare two numbers. Comparison of number means to find the greater and smaller number in the given numbers. In order to compare the numbers, we have to follow some rules. Let us know what are the rules. Rule 1. We first find the number of digits in the number. For example, the number given here. First number is 68. 68 is a two-digit number. Second number is 345. It is a three-digit number. That means which one is more? 345, because it is a three-digit number. That means they are going under hundreds. Whereas 68, which is a two-digit number, it is under tens and ones. Let us take another example. Look at these two numbers. Both are starting from 9, but one number is 99, which is a two-digit number, whereas the second number is 999, which is a three-digit number. So, again this rule applies. Because it is a three-digit number, 999 is a three-digit number. So, it is greater, whereas 99 is a smaller number. You can recall this concept. You have done this in your class 2 also, where you used to compare two numbers. But those numbers were only till two digits. As you are growing up, so you will be learning comparison with big numbers now, and we are doing three-digit numbers. So that is why we are learning this concept again. Now each time I am writing that the 999 is a bigger number, it is greater, and then 99 is a smaller number. So when we are comparing, we don't need to write all this. We can use signs: greater than, less than, or equal to. Let's have a look at them. This sign is for greater than sign. Whenever a number is greater than the other number, it will open its mouth towards that number. In case this is the sign for smaller than, so that means if the number is smaller, it will show its back towards the number. Equal to sign is used when on both the sides, left side and right side, the numbers are same. So, I know while looking at this, you can relate. This is a crocodile's mouth, and this sign looks like a crocodile mouth. And you know that crocodile wants to eat bigger animals so that his tummy is full. So this sign will also face towards bigger numbers or larger number or greater number. All the things mean the same. So let's go back to our numbers. 68 and 345. So now crocodile will open its mouth and eat which number? 345. 45. So we are going to put this sign. Remember this concept with the crocodile's mouth. Let's take the other example which we have done earlier, 99 and 999. So crocodile wants to eat 999. So we are going to put the sign with the open mouth towards 999. And if 999 was towards the left side, so what the crocodile will do? He is a clever fellow. He is going to turn its face towards 999, wherever it will go, whether it is right hand side or left hand side. That means even if the number is towards left hand side and if it is a greater number, crocodile will face that number only. So this time, because 999 is this side, so it is going to open its mouth towards the left side. Let us do rule 2. Rule 2 says that if the numbers have same number of digits. Earlier what we discussed, if the digits are more or less, but if the digits are same, for example, here the number of digits 100 tens and ones, 3 digits are there, 100 tens and ones, again 3 digits are there. So here the number of digits are same. So what do? We write the place on the digit. We write the place. 8 is ones, 9 is tens, 3 is hundreds. Similarly, here also 5 is hundreds, 4 is tens and 7 is ones. Now, please understand this rule that we have to start from the left. The comparison from the higher number, the bigger side of the number. So, because 3 and 5 are at hundreds place, so their place value is more among all these numbers. So we will compare them first. How? We will see the place value 300 and 500. Now tell me which one is bigger, 300 or 500? 500 is bigger. So what we will do? This crocodile is going to eat 547 and the smaller number will be 398. Hope you have understood this. Let's take another example. The numbers are 876 and 856. Now, what is the similarity between these two numbers? That the digits at the hundredth place is same. So first of all, we are going to put the places on them. 1, 10, 100. Here also 1, 10, 100. Now we start comparing them from the left side. Here also from the left side. The digit at 100th place is same. So we cannot do any comparison here. So what do? We go to the digits at 10th place. Digits at 10th place is 7 here and here is 5. So which one is bigger? 7 tenths or 5 tenths? 7 tenths. So this number 876 is a greater number. So the crocodile is going to eat 876. Let's do another example. The number is 432 and 436. Now, because they both are 3 digits number, so we are going to put the places on it first. Now, we again start from left side comparison. Digit at 100 place are same. 400 at both the places. Let us compare the digits at 10th place. This is 3 tens here and 3 tens here. Oh, here also the digits are same. So what are we going to do? We are going to now move on to the next place. That is 1st place. And we are going to compare them. So 2 is at 1st place here and 6 is at 1st place here. So which one is bigger? 2 ones or 6 ones? Yes, 6 ones. So which number is greater? 436 is greater. And the crocodile is going to eat 436. Let us take another example, and this one is important example. The number is 531 and the second number is also 531. Now, when we compare them, digits at 100th place is same, which is 5. Digits at 10th place is same, which is 3 here. And digits at 1st place is same in both these numbers. So they all are same. So obviously the number is same. So what do? We put an equal to sign. Which sign we are going to put? Equal to sign. So in comparison we have less than, greater than and equal to sign. Let's do some examples and put the sign. Digit is 43. The number is 43. It's a 2-digit number. This number is 546. This is a 3-digit number. So what are we going to do? The crocodile is going to eat a 3-digit number, then a 2-digit number. Let's go on to the second example. 542 and 76. Again, 542 is a 3-digit number and 76 is a 2-digit number. So, crocodile found towards 542. Greedy crocodile he is. Let's go to the next number. 234. 256. So, they both are 3-digit number. So, let us compare the digit at 100th place. 2 at both the places. 2 is at 100th place here. Here also. So, what do? Move on to the next numbers. 3 tens or 5 tens. Which one is bigger? 5 tens. So this number is bigger. Let's take the next example. 446, 443. Again, here 3-digit number. Both are. 100th place, the digits are same, which is 4. 10th place, the digits are same, which is 4. But at 1st place, here we have 6 and here we have 6. So, what do we see? That 446 is a bigger number or a greater number. 903 and 705. This we can compare as it is. The first digits are different. Hundreds place the digits are different. So what do we do? 900 or 700. Which one? 900. 903 is greater than 705. And the last one is 876. And here also 876. They both are same. Finding the greatest and the smallest number. Greatest among the given number, which is the biggest number. So there is a comparison of more than two numbers. Smallest again among the given numbers which are more than 2, the smallest number. We can find greatest and smallest number in a series. Also, for example, here are few numbers. Let us read them. 672, 635, 629, 681. The rule remains the same of comparison. We first check the number of digits. If it is same, we start from the left side. Here if we look, the hundreds place is same in all. Then we check the tens place. So tens place, in the first number it is 7 tens. Second number it is 3 tens. Third number it is 2 tens. And the fourth number it is 8 tens. Now when we compare these numbers, we found that 8 tens is the biggest or the largest or the greatest number, whereas 2 tens is the smallest number. So 8 tens belong to 681. So 681 is the greatest number and 629 is the smallest number. Here we have found out the greatest and the smallest number. Now, with this we can also learn to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. You know this and we will be doing this soon. Here are some examples. You have to circle the greatest number. Make a square or a box around the smallest number. Let's take the first example. 432, 546, 674. You decide and you say, I am going to tell you the answer. Which number is the greatest and which one is the smallest? 674 is the greatest number and 432 is the smallest number. Let us take second example. 542, 578, 538. So which of these is the greatest number? What will be the answer? And which one will be the smallest number? 500. 178 is the greatest number and 538 is the smallest. What about the last part? 734, 236, 938. 734, 236, 938. So 938 is the greatest number and 236 is the smallest number.